Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Journey to Wisdom and Wealth. My name is Tara. If you're new, welcome. If you're not new, welcome back. You know you're part of the what? Grateful gang, gang, gang. Grateful gang, 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 gang. Grateful gang, gang, gang. Grateful gang, 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 gang. If you're not a part of Grateful Gang, we'd love to have you over here. It's free 99. It costs you nothing to hit that red subscribe button. $0. Zero nada. Costs you nothing. Don't be stingy with them subscribes or them likes and hit me up in the comments. Today we got paid. Okay. Mm, 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 mm. We grateful. We got some money. Grateful. We got some money. Okay. So let's go ahead and allocate out our paycheck. Let us check out the bank. So we were at zero. We zeroed that out. Yes, we did. We were at zero base budget and we got paid $16.45.80. So we had a little bit more. You're disrespectful. Ain't nobody ask you none of that. 16.45.80. Okay, good. We have a little $1.54.53. We love it. We love it. We love to see it. Okay, so first off, we need to pay our mortgage. This is the mortgage for August. We've already paid July. So I actually need to move the 511.81 back into the bank to get a total of 1183.62. Okay, so let us do that right now. Transfer but we need to transfer from our Hold Your Horses account. That's where all the money gets held if we're not using it right away, but we're going to need it for another task. Back to our original account. We need to move 511.81 back over to pay our August. Really? Our mortgage. Okay, transfer. Success. Okay, we love to see it. So we'll make this, we're going to say that we did a transfer or a rollover of 511.81. We got money, but now we got to pay.
Track your habits, please.
I don't know if y'all heard that, but that's Alexa telling me to go sit down and track my habits. Yeah. She still scares me to this day. But we're going to say that, and then I'm going to be right back as I go pay my mortgage. Your payment is on the way. Confirmation number. Boop, boop, boop. We've done it. 1183.62 paid. All right, so we can actually mark that orange. So if you're new here, my system goes like this. Bright green means it's completely cleared the bank. Orangey peachy color means that it's paid, but it's pending to clear the bank. A shade of this blue means that it's an automatic payment and we wait for that to clear and we clear that out on closeouts. And this bluish grayish color means that we paid it on the credit card and it will be paid immediately once that charge clears the credit card. Okay, now that we've said that, since this was a payment made through my operating account through the bank, this will be color coded in that peachy color, meaning that we paid it, but we're waiting for it to clear. The cell phone was paid last month. No. Cell phone was paid last paycheck. So was the water. So was the car insurance. The first paycheck of mine is very bill heavy. You'll notice. The gym, $40. So the thing about this, y'all, is I'm going to go ahead and put this money in the gym. And I have to make a decision if I'm going. If I'm going. Because I can, and I feel like I want to start going, but I don't know that I will. So just for the time being, I'm going to go ahead, since it is slated to do that, I'm going to go ahead and transfer. I think I've stopped. I think I took my Gym Vibes. Oh no, Gym Vibes is still there. Okay. So we're moving from Tara Major Keys to Gym Vibes. We're going to move $40 and say this can be possibly for August Zumba. $40 for the month. It's 3 times a week. Success. So that money is moved. It's completely out the account. So we'll mark that green. The internet was drafted last paycheck. Security was drafted. Now the security equipment will come out on the 27th of this month in a few days. However, it gets paid automatically on the credit card. So we'll have to wait for that to come out. And then we'll pay that right away. Trash and sewer is not due again Right now, we just paid that last month. There's nothing on the Home Depot card, nothing on the Ulta card, nothing on the Saver credit card. Well, Saver card has money, but we pay that as we go. We're using that for our variable. Nothing on the Merit card. The car payment, we do need to make our biweekly car payment. I split this car payment into two because it creates a way to pay down on the interest before the whole month goes by. So instead of paying the full 467 on its due date, I pay half and half throughout the month. And honestly, starting in September, we're about to start tackling that on another level. But that's another video. Shout out to my girl Tasha from Mind Your Money that got me really thinking about it. All right, so let me go ahead and pay that. All right, good people, you see the payment is scheduled for $233.50, and we're done. Okay, we're done. We got a lot to pay. Only 19% has been paid on my car loan so far. It's only been a year or so, and a couple months, but still, I feel like we could have been a lot further ahead. Anyway, we can't worry about the past. We got to worry about what's ahead of us or the present moment. So I'm going to go ahead and make that a peach color because although we paid it with the operating account, we got to wait for it to clear. That is not the right peach color. Okay, and then Capital One Bank is being paid. All the Amazon stuff that's being paid. Discover Card is paid off. Student loans was paid last paycheck. Now we'll move on to our variable expenses. In our variable expenses, we showed that we have to put away $250. So I'm going to go ahead and mark that green right now because I'm going to move that $250, and we'll have a total of, I don't know, $500 for the month. So let's go ahead and transfer $250 from Tara's Major Keys to our cashless envelope. Oh, can't do that. Can't do that because we're still in the same month. So what I'm going to do is move that to Hold Your Horses, the $250, and I will put that it is for the cashless envelope. Money for August. Transfer. Success. Okay, $250 transferred. Moving right along with our sinking funds. We have some things going to sinking funds, which is cool. That's nice because usually the first check, not much is going anywhere. So let's close this down and let's start our transfers. So there's going to be $3.03 going to apparel. I know it's such a weird amount, but when I did the yearly, that's just what it worked out as. Apparel sinking fund. And then we got nothing going to build a buffer, nothing to birthdays. We've got $30 going to car maintenance. We love to see it in success. And so transfer to Pimp My Ride, which is my car maintenance fund. We're going to put $30 there. Success. Let me make these green as I go, I guess. Green, so I can kind of keep my place. Nothing's going to Christmas. Nothing's going to emergency fund this time. $10 going to health and medical. We love that for us. Success. Let's go ahead and transfer. Because literally, y'all, I was eating toffee candy today, and it pulled out a filling in one of my back teeth. And I know this is about to start hurting. I've called around to try and get a really close appointment. It's not working out. So I'm glad $10 is going to health and wealth because I'm going to have to pay a co-pay or forever success or whatever it's going to cost to get this tooth fixed. Then we have the HOA is getting 44. HOA, where you? Okay. It's getting 44. It's getting to where it needs to go. I currently save my money ahead of time, so I paid for my HOA at the beginning of the year, so I don't have to include it in my mortgage. Success. And then I do it again this year. I save ahead this year so that I can. Where did my video go? That's doing weird things. Save ahead so that I can have it for next year. Y'all, what the heck? Yo, I don't know what just happened. That was so weird. Okay, so household gets 40. Let me transfer my $40 to household, which is good because right now I'm running out of everything. I feel like laundry detergent, paper towels, all the things. So it's about that time for a bulk buy at the Sam's Club. So I'm grateful that this money is going in. Household Sinking Fund gets $40. And then we have $10. Oh, 10. I wish. $100 going to the HVAC system, which is one of our bigger things that we're saving for this year because I've already been told by the HVAC guy that it's on its way out. And I'm so grateful that so far this summer, HVAC has been holding out. Okay. I'm sure it's running up my electric bill. Success. But I'm grateful that it's still working because a new one is like almost $6, $7, $8,000, and we definitely don't have that saved. Then we have $30 going to beauty, amen, because it's time to buy some more moisturizer and redo my hair. And next month is my birthday, so I want to be able to do it. So we want to do Beauty's Only Skin Deep. Why did I feel? Oh no, I didn't pass it, and we're giving that $30, which is going to be very helpful. If you could only spell it. Success. And I think that's it as far as sinking funds go. Nothing's going to travel, treat yourself, YouTube. Well, those aren't really things, but nothing on all the things or other. Then we have Navy Federal, which is just this a physical bank here that I bank with. And I just like to keep that account open in case I ever need to go and get like a specific amount of cash from it. And in order to make sure that it's okay, I literally just send $1 every paycheck, which is nice. I think with this dollar, we'll be up to $45 in there. Who's mad at that? Not me, because it just goes to show that putting a little bit away at a time does add up. Okay, so Navy Federal Sinking Fund Success. This also will go through another bank to bank transfer, so we'll have to wait to see that clear. Now I'm going to take this money out of here because we don't know. We have a lot of money left in the buffer. I'm not sure how that worked out that way, but I'm grateful that it did because if you watch my last tracking video, I'm behind on a lot of stuff and paying stuff and all that. I'm a little skeptical about leaving $149.26 here though. So I don't think I want to do that. I don't want to do that at all. So I have been thinking about a few things that I want to do with it, and this is the way I'm going to build it out for right now. I am going to be planning on going on an outing with a friend, um, like another YouTuber. We're supposed to like meet up next week, and so it's supposed to be like happy hour. So I'm going to transfer $40 over into maybe like a like treat yourself or treat your friends account just so that it doesn't get. Yeah, let's go with treat your friends for now. I'm going to put it $40 in there and I'm going to allocate it out for YouTube meetup, right? With SB. Okay, transfer. That way I know $40 is going to that. There is also a book with recipes that I'm not 100% I want to buy yet, but I want to put the money aside because literally this book is $10 to $15 and it's an online, like someone made it. And I'm just like, this is ridiculous, Tara. You should be able to go ahead and use that if you want to. So under treat yourself, I'm going to put the $15 for slated for that meal recipe book, I guess it's called. And I'm going to transfer it. Now, all of these might not be used for this, but we'll see. Success. And then I would like to put $30 to my July savings because literally I need to finish it. And I believe that $30 is all I have left. So I'm going to grab that now. And we're going to do that together really quickly. Okay, guys, all we have are these these numbers over here. And as you can see, we have a 5, a 6, a 9, a 3, a 5, and an 8. Oh no, is that right? Or am I seeing it wrong? A 5 plus a 6 plus a 9 plus a 3 plus a 5 plus a 8. Oh, it's 36. I don't know why I had 30. I don't know why I thought I had $30. So $36. Now we'll use $36 and we will finish this one up. So hold on. Okay, so everything is plugged in. Everything is colored in. Okay, honestly, I didn't know if I could do this 100. I didn't know we could do it. So I'm grateful that we're able to do that. So we're gonna go ahead and transfer the $36 over to the challenge. And this money is actually going to be used for my birthday because I want to plan a little birthday getaway, monthly savings. We're going to add $36 for myself because I'm about to start going hard come September. And I really want to, I think we're naming it Life's a Beach. Yep. Challenge for July, transfer, success. I want to just have some downtime. I've been feeling really out of it lately. And let's see, are we at $100? Well, we might be off because we stole $10 from it at one point. Where's the challenge? Yeah, 93.85. That makes sense because in the beginning of the month we took $10 extra to pay the Home Depot card off. So we did make it to $100. So I'm grateful for that. Didn't know if we were going to finish that challenge in actual July. So that's awesome. And so now the only thing we have left to do is add those things that I just talked about, and then I'll leave the rest as a buffer. So $40 is going to go to basically other, and then 15 will go to other, and then 36 will also go to other, leaving that 91. I'll go ahead and insert a note just to let myself know what's going on. 40 went for the SB eating out YouTube meetup, and then we had 15 going to the possible online recipe book, and we have $36 going to finish up the July savings. Okay, and we'll mark that green because all that money left. Okay, so now I think that's everything that we just moved, right? 36, 15, 40, and then $30. Everything else is going to be left in the buffer, which leaves us $58.26 in the buffer. And that's fine because I feel like I'm going to need that to eat for the rest of the week in July. That may need to go towards the card. And now the final part, we've made it. We just need to reconcile and make sure that the money matches. So when I add up everything that's not in bright green, we should have a total of $1519.58. So let's go ahead and get that addition going on. So first we've got 1183.62 plus 43.20 plus 233.50 plus $1 plus 58.26. 1519.58. We've done it. We're at a zero-based budget and we've reconciled with the bank. So this all works out. Super happy about that. We're good. We made it, y'all. And everything should be covered, and we have a very decent buffer, which unfortunately I think is going to be used on groceries and whatnot for these last couple of days, but it is what it is as long as I actually have the money. Grateful for that. I really wanted to be able to transfer some of it over as like a rollover into next month bill because the first paycheck is always so bill heavy. It would have been nice to have some rollover, like my girl, I think Well Said had said. I don't even know if that's a girl or boy, but Well Said had mentioned that, and I thought it was a good idea, but don't know that I'll be able to do that this time. Either way, thanks so much for watching, y'all. Remember, in order to be great, you have to be grateful. I'm super duper grateful for you. Have a wonderful, blessed day. Remember, it's faith over fear this year, but not just this year, but what? Forever, ever, 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 Bye. Just hands. Love you, mean it. Bye.